Uneek family, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Hot Topics haul. I am so excited for this and I hope that you are too. If you are not familiar with me, my name is Patrice here at Uneek Avon. I love doing things with Avon products, including tips, tricks, first impressions, and more. Also, I love doing self-care Sundays and Pokemon theme inspired makeup, celebrating the 25 years Pokemon has been on the scene. As you can tell, I love me some Pokemon. This is actually a makeup inspired look from Pokemon. If you have not seen that video, please do. I love doing it. I will put the iCard up above for this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. And also, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of the opportunity to see any of the Pokemon looks coming up for this channel. I am loving my Pokemon series. But today, we are going to unbox our Hot Topics. Oh my gosh, I have not seen a Hot Topics, y'all, since I was in high school. And they used to be in our mall. So right beside Claire's, there was a Hot Topics. Now, I'm dating myself, truly dating myself, because when you say Claire's, that puts you right in the 90s. And Hot Topics was right next to Claire's in our mall in Jacksonville. And I am so excited about this unboxing. I've already opened it because y'all know Mama struggles opening stuff. We are going to get into this box. I cannot wait to show you what we have. Yes. So when we open the box, we see that there is fluff, and y'all know, if y'all are very familiar with this channel, I literally am a packer person. Like, I save this stuff so I can use it to ship off products from Avon or even stuff from my Mercari. So I'm really excited about that. And everything is in here, which includes my packing slip, my return slip, and my inventory sheet. So when we take all that out, yes, look at this. I am so excited about this. You see it. You know you do. Well, we'll get to that later. All right, so the first thing I'm going to grab out of here is I'm going to leave these to the side because those are fun. Thing I'm going to do is grab this little container here. And I love that it is packaged in this cellophane. This clear stuff, I do save this as well. Yes, I'm that person. So there is the box. I'm just going to open it. And you are going to see it before I do. So I pray that I'm holding this. Okay. There. What do you think? Is it? Ah, yes, it's my Winnie the Pooh mug. Oh, so cute. There is Winnie the Pooh in the balloon. There's a honey pot. All these, and look at the yellow. The yellow in these are the honeycombs. And it is bright yellow in the inside. So yay! I am actually going to use this when I do our Chit Chat Sundays. So stick around for that. Next thing in this box. Yes, y'all know it. I'm saving it. All right. Next thing in this box. Pulling out the next thing. Here it is. And y'all are also going to see it before I do. So, because I love doing that with you all. Y'all say y'all love it too. So, okay, what is it, y'all? All right, what is it? Ooh, oh, look. It's my Pop Franco Disney Winnie the Pooh. I love it. And it's an exclusive Hot Topics item. And let me see, gotta open it. I think I just ripped the top. And that is my washing machine, so I gotta figure out what's wrong with that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm pulling this little guy out the box. Oh, he's so cute, look! And he's got a little arrow in his little wings in the back. It's so adorable. He is so soft. He's like a plush. Oh, he's gonna look so cute back there with everybody. Oh, let me just sit right there. Ah, look how cute. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was what's in this box. All right, so let's put this all back, and I'm gonna show you what is next. Alrighty, he's just so adorable. So, okay, I went ahead and I moved the box off to the side because, y'all, I'm working a little bit. So, and I had to go see what was wrong with my washing machine. All right, so the next thing is right here. Of course, I let you all see what is inside first. Okay, what is it, y'all? What is it? What is it? Oh, how cute! It's Winnie and Eeyore. And this is also an exclusive. It's a 2-pack set. And it's pocket pop key rings. Oh, yes. And I was able to open it. Oh, look how cute they are. There's Winnie and Eeyore. That's mine. That's my hubby's. Oh, how cute. I wish they had the Tigger and Piglets. And if I do find the Tigger and Piglets, I will be getting those as well. But I thought this would be so cute for my keys. Oh, as y'all can tell, I am a huge Winnie the Pooh fan. Thank you, DERISSA. When I was a kid, like in my teenage years, I loved Winnie the Pooh. I actually had a Pooh Letterman jacket. And I also had a Pooh collectible plate from Bradford Exchange. I absolutely loved it. And it was them in the 100 Acre Woods. But, you know, family is so nice. They told me that liking Winnie the Pooh was childish and that I should stop. So I did. And I wish I didn't, because there was a lot of things that I actually missed from not actively pursuing Winnie the Pooh. Like, I want to get a new, like, shirt and everything like that. I love Winnie the Pooh. I'm sorry. I love Winnie the Pooh. So mean, so gullible, so lovable, so huggable, so squeezable. I mean, he is so sweet, so kind to all his friends. I love Winnie the Pooh. And so now I said, I'm not going to hide who I like anymore. I'm actually going to embrace it. So, yes, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so this is what's next. All right, you guys are going to see it on me. Oh, it's my water bottle. Oh, it's my water bottle. I love that. I love how they packed it in the poppies. I love that. The mug didn't have anything in it. It was just a mug in a box. So, but it is a clear, oh my gosh. Okay, so you see the green pieces and the dark black pieces? They're actually raised. So you can actually feel the texture on this. This is a really good sensory object if you have a child with autism or ADHD or anything like that. This actually will be great, because when you feel it, you can feel the textures on it, and it feels amazing. And it is a 24-ounce water bottle. So, hello. That'll get me to drink my water, right? It was easily to screw off. There is the inside. And let me see. It's easy. It's really nice to screw back on. This is going to be kind of hard for me, but I think over time, it'll be okay. Yeah, it was a little bit tough for me to move this, because y'all know I have really bad, I don't know, I think it's nerve or arthritis damage in my fingers. So it's really hard for me to open, to grip, and things like that. So I just want you all to know, if y'all have the same issue as I do, how things are and how they work. So a lot of my makeup brushes you'll see that are really thick handles or thin handles, enough for me to hold on to it, because my grip is not that great. So I'll let you know and do a lot more hauls on those of products that I'm using to help me either with migraines or how I do my arthritis or anything like that. So if you want to see more of that, please let me know in the comments down below. But for right now, I think when the more I use it, I think it'll be a little bit better. But for right now, it's really, really stiff and it's really hurting my fingers. But all in all, I think it's a beautiful water container, and I'm really going to enjoy working with this. And you know what, I might just fill it up. So hold on. All right, so I went and rinsed it out and filled it up with water. I didn't fill it up all the way. I just filled it up to about there. And then I'm going to try it again. The pull on it is really nice. It does kind of, if you pull too much, y'all. Giggity. So it has a really nice pull on it. It has a really nice suction. So if you're that kind of person like me that loves to have their water on the go, you can take this with you, be really stylish, and show everybody you're Winnie the Pooh. Yes. So now that we have got collectibles and some Pooh stuff, I'm not done yet. we have 3 palettes. I did not know, like I knew, but I didn't know that Hot Topic actually sold makeup. I knew they sold clothes, I knew they sold like collectible stuff, but I did not know they had makeup palettes. So I did I did purchase 3. This is the first one. It's called Black Heart. And I'm gonna open this. I love popcorn packaging. This is this one here. Sleek matte. These are the colors in the back. I am loving this. It's a very beautiful neutral palette. Look at that. Check that out. Yes. There are 15 eyeshadow shades in here. And there is, oh, a really nice mirror. So a full-size compact mirror. And here are the colors here. And it does have a film on it, which is excellent. So there is a film, which is a good thing. The colors are Skeleton, Not Sorry, Go Away, Black Hearted, Fallen Petal, Stay Weird, Everything Sucks, Cursed, Introvert, Not Today, Song Lyrics, Awkward, Nope, Poison, and Weirdo. I am going to have so much fun working with this palette. Oh my gosh. If you do not want to miss that, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any Makeup Monday, any one of our collab videos with the Carolina girls. I will be testing this out really, really soon. So the next palette I purchased was, yes, I did. I purchased the Winnie the Pooh palette. So I am so excited for this. Let me open it up so I can show you what beautiful colors she has. Oh, yes. Yes, I did. Isn't she gorgeous? I actually just love the packaging. I honestly think I bought this palette not only for the beautiful colors, but for the gorgeous packaging. And like, this is beautiful, like aesthetically pleasingly beautiful. The back, just like this, and there's all the colors. There are, let me see, 12 eyeshadow shades in this. I just love. And there is a full-size mirror. And here are all the beautiful shades. I know I have the glare from my thing, but let me pull her back. Hopefully y'all all can see her. And if not, of course, we will do Makeup Mondays. The colors are Honey, Friendship, Wandering, Bounce, Heffalump, Wiggles, Pooh Bear, Honeysuckle, Ta-Ta for Now, Oh Bother, Silly Old Bear, and Oh Happy Day. And Oh Happy Day is actually a dark one, so that must be from Eeyore, because you know Eeyore is kind of like, oh, happy day. You know, he's very gloomy, he's very stunned, he's very all that. But I love Eeyore, and I love Piglet and Pooh, and oh, I just love them all. Even Christopher Robin, I love them all. So that is the Winnie the Pooh palette, but I do have one more left that will literally give you blast from the past feelings. Yes, oh yes, I am talking about the BAM Blockbuster palette. Yes, I am so stoked about this. It looks like a classic Blockbuster video. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks like a Blockbuster video cassette. I am literally dating myself now. Blockbuster video, I think, closed down like in the 2000s. I believe like the early 2000s. There was like no more. But if you remember the Blockbuster videos, please like this video and let me know how many Blockbuster video fanatics were there out there. I know when I was younger, I was all about making a Blockbuster night. I was all about getting my videos. I was always that Be Kind Rewind chick. I was all of that. And I love how they did this. Let me take it out of the pack. Oh, I love this. This is so nostalgic for me. This is like taking me way back, way back. There is the packaging. It looks literally just like a Blockbuster cassette. And there is the barcode here. So the person, when they did their video, they would scan it. And these were cassettes, like VCR tapes, like VHS tapes. So again, dating myself, but it's okay. Right here where it says eyeshadow palette would usually be the title of the movie. So whatever movie you're watching will be right here. Of course, there's a Blockbuster thing. Over here used to be the title of it, and it used to say make it a blockbuster night. I think it does. Yeah, it says make it a blockbuster night. Oh, so cool. And on the back, it used to have all the information about the movie that you're watching. On this one, it has the information about the palette. And right here, I think it says be kind, rewind, which was like my favorite slogan. And every time we rented Blockbuster videos, I was like, Mommy, don't forget to rewind. Remember, it says be kind and rewind it. So, of course. So I cannot wait to open this beautiful thing. Oh, look at her. And there is a mirror in the shape of a Blockbuster. So that is really excellent. They give you a mirror. And here are the shades. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about these shades. I cannot wait to swatch any of these palettes for y'all. I'm so excited. So the shade colors are new releases, adventure, classic, drama, family, sci-fi, television, action, horror, cartoon, fantasy, and comedy. That is so cool. Those were literally every single section in the Blockbuster category. So when you walked in the Blockbuster, it was done in categories. So it had all the new releases out. It had all the family, comedy. I think family, comedy, sci-fi was it. Okay. So cartoons, television, sci-fi, classic, and family were all in the middle part of our Blockbuster. New releases were on the wall, and everything else, like comedy, adventure, everything was along the wall. And then at the counter, you had the snack corner. And it had like all your popcorns, all your pop, all that stuff like that. And in the middle, they would have like the Francos, so then it would have all the poppables or anything like that. So if there was like a Freddy Krueger movie, like Friday the 13th, they'll have a little Friday the 13th memorabilia, like posters and things like that. So our Blockbuster was lit, and it smelled always like popcorn because the guy named Steven who owned our Blockbuster used to pop popcorn every time. So if a new movie came out, let's just say, let's do a random movie. Let's say the new Pokemon movie came out. So he would put the new releases over to the new release side. He'll pop popcorn. So on Friday nights, he'll make fresh popcorn. And anytime you bought a new release movie, he will give you a free bag of popcorn. And that is how we rolled in Jacksonville. So let me know down in the comments down below how your Blockbuster did. I absolutely love everything I got from Hot Topics. I'm loving my little Winnie the Pooh. Oh my gosh. So I hope that you had fun. Let me know down in the comments below. Did you have a Blockbuster? What did you rent on Friday nights? Were you horror? Were you comedy? Were you the new release person like I was? Or did you gravitate to more classics, TV, or just family stuff? And let me know what you think about the 3 palettes. And I am so excited to showcase them on Makeup Mondays. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for sticking with us while we unbox our wonderful Hot Topics today. I hope that you had fun as much as I do. You will see a lot more from Hot Topics. I've seen a lot of things that I'm really excited about getting from them, and I hope that you are too. So from our family to yours, remember, be happy, be kind, be courageous, God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.